So in this video I'm just going to tell you how you can easily download or save a video from the Facebook. So let's get started without wasting any time. And first of all, open up your Facebook and then just come to the video section and search for the video which you want to download, and then just click on these three dots and click copy link. So you are done with the Facebook, and now just close it and then just go to any of the browser. I'm just using Google Chrome, or you can use anyone. So when you come to that browser, just right here save from and search it. So you will be get that website, so open it. So don't worry, this is a free website, and here you see the option of enter the URL. Just paste your URL. It's no matter that which URL you pasting, either it's from Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, or anywhere. You can download any type of videos from this website. Now what you all have to do is just click on this download. It will just redirect you on an ad website. So just wait. How you see the option of downloading file, just go back and just click on details. So you can see the video is downloading. So this is how you can easily download a video from Facebook. So thanks to watch the video. Please subscribe to my channel, and have any question about the tutorial, just leave me a comment below.